Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. I'm Angel from the CNT. Today my topic will be a little bit heavy because it's related to everybody about what are going on today. My topic says, my main point of my presentation is about the green issues. Before we go through the topic, we would like to know the two biggest green environmental issues since the 1990s, which are global warming and the proliferation of plastic. Please have a look here. Did anybody feel it's hotter ever than before this summer? Anybody has an idea about this? Yeah, it's much hotter than ever this summer, especially in Europe. They are out of energy, so it's quite hard for everybody. So let's have a look at this slide. The global average temperature reached the highest since 1979. You can see in this picture that the green reached, showing the environmental problems we are facing. For complete information, if we don't make any changes, we will lose 80 million full-time jobs and lost $2.4 million by the labor cost. As we knew, the main problem of the plastic problem is the emit large amount of carbon dioxide. Every 1 kilogram of plastic needs 2.3 kilograms of carbon dioxide. In 2050, it will reach 1.4 billion tons. This makes global warming more fast. On the other hand, based on the past researches, the marine environment playing a regular role in the greenhouse effect. Please have a look here. There will be more plastic than the fish. You can see in the photo there's more and more plastic than the fish in the ocean. So the marine economic environment is granted by declarable plastic in the ocean expected to quadruple by 2050. Extreme weather events become more and more frequency and serious in recent years. Please have a look here. So as never before, all sectors around the world are paying more attention to the urgency of this crisis. Let's have a look what the world have done. For the international price, more and more countries are setting carbon neutrality as a future goal. The United States, Southeast Asia, Europe, and the UK will complete the carbon neutral in the 2050. So let's have more real samples. As you can see, if you travel in the Europe now, you cannot see many plastic as before because the EU already has banned all non-recycled and single-use plastic or products. So please take a look at these pictures. Inflows into the ESG funds expect to reach $50 trillion by 2025. Based on the reliable data, 50% of capital investment in the market will consider environmental protection. So when faced on customer, we found millionaires will consider going green when shopping. Another data showing a hot trend is that consumers are checking products label package for sustainability certificates on their package. So this is a main label and the main reason why the customer chose or not chose the products. Last month, based on the points we mentioned earlier, brands around the world are transitioning to the sustainable business models now. So what did the brands do? Please have a look here. Last month, Apple launched their new series, the Apple Edge watches. they achieved the carbon neutral. In addition, Apple say they will reach neutral carbon neutrality across all products line by 2030. So Apple is a worldwide leader action. That means environmental products will become a standard of the future of technology products in the future. What about other brands? As the famous Hermes parlor with micro-walls launched a sustainable material on the tablet bags. Addition, you can see Adidas create products from the recycled material and ocean plastic. They communicate developing innovative plant-based yarns. Another is as this hall, it shows the automatic industry is also using the new energy to driving cars. In 2035, Europe will completely ban all sales of gasoline cars. So many brands are already working and do actions. We encourage you to try these green moments. We can protect the earth together and make the earth more beautiful and healthy. So we know that environmental protection is the things we must do. However, here are some problems perhaps brands will encounter. Facing those problems, we need to overcome it. So the question is, what can CNT do, and what could I do? And the most important thing is about what can we do. CNT established in 2006. CNT continue and have proven brands with flexible customization solution and the rapid delivery. CNT mission is to build a green 3C future with our customer together. The most rotation things about CNT is that we are the first manufacturer of phone accessories in Chinese industry who obtained the international GI certificate in 2019. And this so we are the first one, and we are also the first one in the Canton Fair. I remember that time some famous retailers in Europe, they just get the concept to ask, hey, anybody knows about this? And we say, yes, we do. And we already have the product showing in our booth, and including the certificate, everything. So they are so surprised. In other hand, we are leader before them. So we are so proud of this. Yeah. It's an honor for CNT that will receive many respect and environment recognition from different third-party companies. And our client give us very high respect on what we are doing. Because what we are doing is not only about the products, it's about the earth, about the human, all about us. It's already out of the product. I'm so proud I chose this business. I chose the position I'm going to continue, because this will be, life is so short actually, but we can do something to make the life more healthy, more beautiful, and make it easier. You can have a look at the products we are doing and the material we are developing, like apple pea and pineapple, hemp leather, wood fiber, cutter's leather, and the corn. Maybe when you saw this, it's nothing about the product, it's something you want to eat. And it's healthy. We use it on our products. So in the production process, CNT use a lot of biodegradable material. Do anybody know what's this? Do you know? It's the coffee grounds. And do you know last year how many coffee grounds in the world? Is 6.5 million tons of coffee grounds. And do anybody knows how many cases we can make from those grounded? And it's 200 billions phone cases. It's amazing numbers, is it? That's, you can see. This is a case made from the coffee grounds, and it smells very good. So in the morning, you need to have coffee, and when you have no time to prepare a coffee, then you can use a case to make you feel more energized. Okay. In the future, C&T will continue to research and developing the sustainable material and the products. There are many reasons to choose C&T as our pilot. The most important thing is C&T is considered about the earth, considered about the human, instead of only the products. We offer the solution of the environmental production for our clients, and we also offer an open window to discuss with our client to see how we can make everything efficient and more economic, to make it cheaper as the original goal, as we want to recycle and to be more suitable for everybody can use. So we are open. We have always believed that the business can be a force to good. Actually, I want to say something about myself instead of the speech. I'm here. What C&T does is much more than what I speak here, because all of us want to be really do something for the earth, not only for the business. So appreciate for listening and hope we can meet each other in the future. And thanks for everybody. Thanks for my favorite clients. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.